Hi, I'm Nikki Jabor, and have you ever harvested homegrown carrots only to find that some of the roots are forked, twisted, or just plain funny looking? Of course, these roots are still delicious, even if they are a bit harder to clean. But what causes carrot roots to fork or twist? There are several possible reasons for this. Carrots generally fork because something has damaged the growing tip. It could be heavy, dense soil, an obstacle in the soil blocking healthy growth, like a stone, or a soil insect that has taken a nip from the carrot tip. Typically, heavy soil is the most common reason for misshapen carrots. In dense clay soil, it can be hard for carrot roots to develop and grow straight. It's full of soil clods that impede root growth. The solution is to add compost to your clay soil. It will take a few years, but adding a couple inches of compost each spring eventually lightens the soil. In very heavy soil, grow compact carrots like Chantenay or Nantes types that only grow 4 to 5 inches long. If your soil has a lot of stones, sticks, and other bits of debris, try to remove as much as you can to prevent forking. Compacted soils can also cause forked carrot roots. Try to avoid walking on garden soil. This is where raised beds come in handy because they offer light soil and excellent drainage. Another reason for forked or misshapen carrots is transplanting. Most root crops do best when direct seeded in garden beds, not transplanted. If you transplant seedlings, it can damage the root tips and prompt forking. Twisted or curling roots is another common carrot issue, and it's because the plants are growing too closely and the roots compete for space. Thin your carrot seedlings to about 1.5 to 2 inches apart as they grow so they have room for good root development. For more short, helpful videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Happy growing!